to achieve this. Now, all we are doing here is partitioning the hair. We are going to partition it into 3 sections: the front, the mid, and the back section. So first you want to go ear to ear, up ear to ear. So you can see, for example, at the corner of the ear, if you can say so. So go all the way up until onto the other side, then come back to the other side. So you have the 3 sections now. One thing to note is that the front section, we are going to do our lines from front to back, but our mid and back section, we are going to do our lines from left to right, or from
ask yourself, what do you want to be?
right to left.
Where do you want to go? No matter who you are.
So just trying to,
Doing big. Think big. Break the rules, not the laws.
get it to close to
Keep pushing.
perfect as much
Believe in
as you
yourself.
can,
Believe in your vision.
but it doesn't really
Everything is
matter
possible.
if you ask me.
Trust yourself and people will trust you. Life is about confidence.
And I love the density
Africa,
of this hair.
it's your time. Son, live with confidence.
You can imagine all, once they mature up, you're going to have some beautiful Sisterlocks here. So once we get ear to ear back, we get that out of the way. You can use anything, a hair clip. You can be creative. Have our 2 sections here. from the back. So you can measure or use anything to measure. I used my chopstick here, which I was using to portion my hair. So from the right side, I get that portion out of the way. So I used my chopstick on that. You can measure using a tape measure or something if you want to be really accurate on it. But after a while of doing hair, you trust me, you can just, you'll be good to go with it. But if you want to really do it and maybe it's your first time doing it, you can use a tape measure or something. So this is after we partition the mid, the back and the front. And after 9 hours of work, here we are left with 2. I want to show you guys how we went about it. So I mean, more of it is just watch and learn. So you want to get your hair into 2 portions and place one of your finger in front, then give it a twist at the end. What we want to do is to secure the hair when we are doing our interlocking. So the finger will block the hair from going all the way down from the twist that it's getting from above or from the end. So once you have it secure there, now you can just hook and pull as you smoothen the hair so that you can get all the hair in. So this hair had good texture, so we went with 3-point. That is pulling the hair from 3 directions. You can do a 4-point. The idea here also is to get the hook in between us. I mean at the center, so that you can get that even strand. So it's just hook and pull. Make sure you smoothen that loose hair so that you can get it. Then what I love doing is giving it a tight tie at the end. I know some might agree or some might disagree, but you keep it secured. Here is an up close. And keep smoothening as you go all the way down. If you're doing it yourself, you might take like 3 to 7 days. But the whole process is worth it. Give a nice tie at the end. And there we are.